Congratulations, man. I heard the good news.
None of that. Y'all niggas went to school 12 years for what? Y'all niggas went to school 12 years for what? I dropped out 9th grade, cuz. 9th fucking grade, on God. Don't hear none of that. But get what? Grandma ain't believe me. Mom ain't believe me, on God. Go out there. I went up, I got... Oh, my goodness. What? Real talk. Grandma, get your ass on, Grandma. No, on God. Grandma, you did not believe... Grandma. No, you had to fight me, on God. Grandma, no, you did not believe me. Talking about, boy.
Damn, big Grandma just proud of you.
You gotta understand, bitch. There's nobody believe in me. That dog gonna be dead, bitch. I got 3 children. I was in 9th grade with 3 children, bitch. Imagine that. I got 7. But still, though, imagine that. You feel me, bro? Oh, God, look. Everybody who doubted me, look, I'm still finna go to college. None of that shit. I'm still finna trap. Fuck, dog. It's just the fact that y'all didn't graduate. Y'all doing exactly what I'm doing, bitch. Y'all nigga graduate. Y'all doing exactly what I'm doing. Y'all didn't went to school all 12 years. Hold on. When you the teacher fat, bitch?
Yeah.
When you the teacher fat, bitch? When you was the one that raised your hand in class, bitch?
Man, you tripping.
Oh, y'all nigga funny as hell, man. Oh, God. Y'all nigga did all that did right in teaching. All that work, all them paragraphs. Guess what I did? 9th grade on fucking hoe. Get on doing buying clothes. Getting gold. What you talking about? I'm finna shit on the whole family. Look, the whole family finna get shitted on. Wipe my ass with y'all toilet paper. Look at that. Accomplishments. Look at that. Look at that. Me, a young nigga. I'm only 20 now. I'm only 20, bitch. A young nigga doing this shit. Shit's dropping everywhere, man. Put my shit in my book bag. Summertime coming. And fuck these hoes, go to Miami. I'm going to Miami this summer. Fucking out the hole, that Slimeball fucking out the hole this summer. What I told you, bitch. Look, Keisha made me mad again, but when I get mad, you know what happened, bitch? What happened when I get mad, bitch?
Man,
what happened when I get mad, bitch? I don't be the same me, right? All right, I'm getting mad, bitch. And I feel his ass coming. Bitch.
you count, man.
Oh, he came, bitch. On God, look. My gun, get my gun. Get my shit, bitch. On God. You hear this? My boy, look like this, my boy. Oh, you hear this shit? What the fuck?
But hell no, dude.
Oh, man.
Yo, yeah, do not got different personalities, bitch.
Bitch, remember when I got the phone call, bitch? I grabbed the gun, bitch. I aimed at him. I ended up shooting myself, bitch. Shoot my fucking self, bro.
Man,
in the fucking leg, cuz. Damn. Bitch, I wouldn't shoot myself for no reason. Cause I just shoot myself for no reason, bitch. Be for real. Would I shoot myself for no reason? No, my God. That wasn't me, bitch. That mean that whoever is here living inside me shot me, bitch. On God. I would not shoot myself. On God, I won't, bro.
Alright, we gonna see about that.
Real shit, nigga know that. Yeah, no, that was me. That was me, bitch. That was him. Yo, who? That was you. Yo, who? What's your what? That was you, nigga. That was me.
Man, you tripping, my nigga.
Nah, I told you. See?
Hell nah, man. You need some help.
Who are they talking? Gonna do what? Who fight you? Fight who? Let's bump it in. Beat his ass up. Oh, God.
I'm about to call sight ward on your ass, bitch.
Oh, that bitch. She just so crazy. I was born like this, bitch. Like, really talk. Like, niggas be like, oh, you trying to be like young boy. You trying to be like young boy. I ain't okay. I am okay, Trey, you feel me? Niggas don't really know that, you feel me? Like, you probably don't believe me, you feel me?
Alright.
Boom, on blood. Front flip with no hand. Here we go. Y'all ain't doing too much on God. Who they talking? Dang, let me get a shot. Let me get some shots in. They always shoot that motherfucker for real. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, y'all be shooting motherfucking basketball. You supposed to shoot that motherfucker. Gah, 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 gah. Y'all boy ain't no play one shot, one shank. One shot, one shank. I would play that. One shot, one shank. Yeah, no. That means you make a shot, you get your ass shank one time. Let me show you. I go first. If I make this, I get to shank your ass, right? Huh? If I make that, I get to shank your ass. Give me a knife. What knife at? Give me a shank. What you got, bro? What you got, bro? Let me get it. Let me see that. You know what that mean, right? I stole it off me, right? What do it mean? That means tonight in my cell, you gotta bend that ass over and get fucked. Hell
nah, nigga.
Well, I'm out of jail. Oh, we free, nigga. Free world.
Sorry, fuck, dude.
Sorry, that ass fat. Shit, boy.
I'm getting tired of you bullying me, OG.
Don't be no fuck about you, bitch. Oh, yeah. You got me. Good shit.
You alright, OG?
Hell nah, that motherfucker strong as hell. I'll tell you what, though. You're a good one. I like them. I like them strong. I like them buff. Chocolate. Dark skin. Light skin. It don't matter. I just like them like that.
Damn, OG, you ain't sounding right, man.
I ain't sounding right, but I am right. Right is the wrong way, wrong is the right way. I always fight to get glory, bitch.
Damn, you alright, OG?
I'm always on my kidney is burning, bitch.
Nigga, what's wrong with you?
Remember them 11 perks I had last night? 11 perks, right?
11
I
perk?
want to get pop all 11 of them hoes just now.
No, you tripping.
Oh, God, my kidney hurting, bitch.
We need to get you off the perks.
Bitch, when I tell you my kidney is burning, bitch, my shit about to explode.
Do we need to take you to the hospital?
Probably do, but I'm on them hoes. So remember last night I told you I had a threesome with 3 scribbles, bitch.
Yeah.
3 scribbles. So how I woke up this morning, bitch? I'm peeing out blood, all blood.
Blood?
And you know I'm a blood, bitch. So I'm peeing out blood in my blood. You feel me? Shit just match up so perfect.
Man, you need to go get checked.
Get checked. Bitch, this all I ever wanted, P red. Bitch, I'm a real deal Pyro, oh God. Ain't even, hey. Hey, bitch, I ain't gonna catch that shit burn. Fuck, that shit real deal hurt, oh God. Like, damn, cuz. But I'm still thugging out there, bitch, I woke up this morning, bitch. Get what?
What?
Nigga, I'm on the news. They had you on that rod in the gas station. You know when I told you I rod last night.
Yeah, man.
Man, nigga had my face cut. That police looking for me. Now everybody want to hit me up tonight. Oh, okay, you a hot boy. You a hot boy. I've been a hot boy on God.
Nigga, I think you need to go turn yourself in.
Turn myself in.
Yes,
wow,
dude.
shame on me. I'm never doing that. Oh, God. I ain't gonna cap, but I can't go back home because they in my house, you feel me? I can't go back to auntie house. They over there, you feel me? So, life is kind of fucked up right now, you feel me?
Oh, man, where you gonna go?
I don't know. Just bear with me though, cuz though. Feel me? So, think about this, bitch. You know, I'm already a high school dropout, bitch.
Oh,
You know I ain't finna get no job, bitch.
Heck
My
no.
son, you know, not in life, oh God. It's just like, bitch. Oh, I'm gonna die, yo.
Oh, my.
Literally dumb. I'm literally dumb, bitch. Oh God, she's so crazy because I know I ain't got no future, you feel me? Damn. All in them whole drop, you feel me? Real talk. I don't think I done show you packs and so I'm locked up because I don't want it on the news. You feel me? What a beautiful day. God damn. Sheesh. Push up time. My old girl get locked up. Oh God. What I'm gonna do? Probably do nothing because I'm gonna know life. Let's go.